All right. Even more fun topic to talk about. But before we get to that like the fun part, I have to explain you this first. Okay. So there are two terms. Actually just one. The word quantized, but there are two terms that we have to clarify so we can communicate effectively. Okay. So I would like to define two types of quantities. One is called not quantized quantities or continuous quantities. The other one is discrete or quantized quantities. Okay. All right. Start with the continuous or not quantized. What do you mean? What do you mean by the not quantized quantities? The not quantized quantity or continuous quantities means it can be any number. For example, your weight, if you get on a scale, right? Let's say a digital scale, your weight could be 50 pounds, 51 pounds, 51.1 pounds, 51.1111 pounds, 51.192536012. It could be any number. Does that make sense? So the number of your weight is continuous. All right. The speed of the car could be 5 miles per hour, could be 5.5 miles per hour, could be 5.51, 5.55, 9.678 through 3, 4, 5. It could be any number. All right. The amount of alcohol that gets you drunk. Some people could get drunk just drink one bottle, two bottle, 1.5 bottle, 1.25 bottle, 1.2345 bottle. I mean, it could be any number there. So all these quantities are not quantized, all right, or continuous. Now, you probably think, well, is it everything is just continuous quantities? Well, no. I'll give you some example. Those who are not continuous, we call discrete or quantized quantities. This is very important, the word quantized. Make sure you understand here, okay? Some examples of quantized quantity, for example, the stair, right? How many steps do you take? You go like the stair, like 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. You can't go half step. Does it make sense? You can't do that. The number of eggs that a hen lays, right? It gotta be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what is it called? What's the word for? I can't. Teenager. I don't remember. Anyway, I kind of blank. Anyway, so the number of the eggs is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Can be 1.5 eggs. That doesn't make any sense. Currency, number of money that you pay. Some people think, hold on, this could be a lot of number. 1.1 dollar, 1.2, 120, 121. Well, but it can be any number though. The smallest currency or the amount of money that you can transfer is 1 cent. You can't pay a half cent. Does it make sense? Right? So the money or the the smallest money that you can pay or you can earn is 1 penny. It can't be $1.001. That doesn't make any sense. Okay. So all right, now this is very important. Can you identify the quantized quantity? Right, or a discrete or not continuous quantities, basically. All right, just concept check real quick. So if you get what we talked about earlier, do you know which of the following are quantized or not quantized quantities? Okay, so which one are quantized, basically? All right, or discrete. Number one, the volume of water evaporates from the lake on a hot day. Can it be any volume? Yes. 1 liter, 2 liter, 1.1 liter, 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 5 liter. Could be any number. Right? Number of eggs remaining in a carton. Oh, this is quantized, of course. Right? It gotta be integer. That's what I'm thinking about. I was thinking about teenager. No, it's an integer. Okay. Gotta be an integer. Time it takes you to get up and be ready for an 8 a.m. class or lab. Well, it could be an hour. Could be 30 minutes, could be 15.12345 minutes, could be 1 second, could be any number, right? So it is not quantized. Last one, number of red traffic lights in San Diego. Oh, could be, well, this is gonna be integer number, right? So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, can be 1.5 traffic light. That doesn't make any sense. So that's a quantized number. Okay. All right. The quantized, the concept of quantized, we're gonna use it right here. Next video. Let's check it out.